Hello guys and welcome back to Sporty Affairs. I am Mithilesh and I have Narendra with me on the side. In this video, we are going to talk about UEFA Champions League semi-final 1, which will be played first time between Real Madrid and Chelsea. So this is like the first encounter they have met in this Champions League edition and never seen before match for so many of us out here. So let's discuss about what exactly these team compositions are, what are the strengths, weaknesses, and in the end we'll give our predictions. Like what do we think will happen in this fixture? So over to you, Narendra.
So Real Madrid is looking sharp, except their injury list. So entirely match is depending upon their forwards and Zidane's strategy. Being almost Zidane is always the playing the trump card during the big fixtures. He's known for his change in strategy during mid break and things like that. So it will be amazing to see how he will cope up with the defensive line of Chelsea, which is completely fit and ready to play this match against Real Madrid. And Real Madrid needs to be careful because Chelsea is away coming to Madrid to play this match, so they should not concede more goals, because when they go back to Stamford Bridge it will be difficult to score against a good quality defense. On the contrary, Benzema, Rodrigo, Vinicius Junior are in amazing form. They are playing well, running well through the wings. Attacks is getting wider rather than concise. Cruz is coming just back from the injury, as we are just finding it out that there are multiple injuries to the defensive side of things for Real Madrid. Nacho Fernandez might be seeing him as a centre back for this match. Vasquez is also injured, so it will be a completely revamped defensive side against a completely fit Chelsea side, and N'Golo Kante is looking good on the Chelsea side. So let's see how things goes. Mitesh, what is your favorite team Chelsea looks like into this going into this match?
Well, both are my favorites, so I will be happy anybody wins here. But yeah, jokes aside, I think Chelsea will have the task cut out mainly because their strikers are not clicking. I mean, they are wasting too many chances, and against this Real Madrid defense, which is on crutches at the moment without Ramos, they are still holding the fort. You know, they won against Liverpool, they won against Barcelona. Yes, they had the few draws in the last few games, but that is one thing which Chelsea need to exploit. Like when they get a chance, they have to score. As you mentioned, Nacho Fernandez, we can see him at mostly left back, not centre back, because maybe Militao can fit in with Varane out there. Good thing is Carvajal is back, and the middle three, the greatest midfield in Champions League history, Casemiro, Modric, and Cruz, they will have a very big task in this game. So from the Chelsea's perspective, I think Tuchel will stick to his 3-4-3 formation, and they will try to counter Real Madrid more rather than going out all on attack. So that is my analysis about Chelsea. I think so they will have difficulty to break down the Madrid defense, but with Kante in the team, and if he gets one of Modric or Cruz out of the game, maybe we'll have a match in their hands. So I'm not expecting Chelsea to win at at Madrid. So I'm expecting it to be a draw for now. Maybe a goal draw 1-1 in the first leg, and in the second leg, maybe Real Madrid will come out on top. So what do you think? What are your predictions?
I think Chelsea might just edge it. They will have a good defensive. They are having a good defensive side, and if they score, Timo Werner, Tammy Abraham, or Ziyech and Kai Havertz, they have so much versatility in their forwards. So one of them gives them a goal or two going into this match. Away goals that has most weightage into this semi-final. So I am rooting towards Chelsea. It will be interesting fixture. And that's it from our side, guys. Make sure to follow and subscribe to Sporty Affairs, and thank you so much for watching.